guys, what's up? Once again I'm back with a list of mind-blowing applications for you people. These applications are so cool that you'll love them. As always, this application also has few mind-blowing features that will make you amazed. So without further ado, let's try them out. Before starting the video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button on our channel and also click the bell icon beside it as to get quick notifications of our new uploads. First on the list we have Plus. Plus is your own place to save, discover and recommend the best, most interesting links on the web. With Plus you can create your own personal tag. You can use it as a social card for sharing your social profiles digitally. Breaking down to simple words, in Plus you can save all your social media links and you can give your Plus tag to your friends so that they get all your social contacts at one place. If you have the Plus tag, you are not required to give all your different social media links separately. You can add all your social medias to the Plus app and then you can generate your tag and then just share your tag to your friends and they'll get all your social contacts. Not only that, but you can get a Plus tag of a particular place or a person, and if you have their tag, you can get all their social media links at one place. Generating a Plus tag is really easy. Just get into the app and then just start creating a tag. First you have to type in your name and then add various links like your YouTube, your Facebook, WhatsApp and more, and then just save it. When you save it, you'll get the Plus tag. Just share it with your friends and you're done. An amazing app to check out. Make sure you do it. Coming up next we have Anyfi. This app makes your device work as a Wi-Fi repeater. If you don't know what's a Wi-Fi repeater, then it means that if you have a Wi-Fi router placed far away from the place you're sitting and you have a Wi-Fi repeater, you can simply connect your Wi-Fi repeater to your router and that would increase the range of your router and you can get access to your router even if you're sitting far away from it where it doesn't have range. So this particular application Anyfi does the same work. What it does is that it makes your mobile device work as a Wi-Fi repeater. It shares Wi-Fi connection among devices so that even devices out of range can connect. The user device automatically connects to the nearby hotspots created by other devices and shares its own connection with others to create a Wi-Fi mesh network of smartphones. The requirements of using the app is that it only runs when the Wi-Fi is on and the VPN access permission is granted. You must have 2 or more devices running Anyfi in the network and make sure you have Anyfi app installed in those smartphones which you want to connect into the Wi-Fi network. So if you have the app, you can connect to the other smartphone which is sharing the Wi-Fi router network which is placed far away from you, and also an app that will turn your smartphone into a Wi-Fi repeater. Coming up next is Radio Garden. Radio Garden allows you to listen to thousands of live radio stations worldwide by rotating the globe. Every green dot represents a city or a town. Tap on it to tune into radio station broadcasting from that city. By adding new stations every day and updating ones that no longer work, this app gives you a smooth international radio listening experience. You can save your favorite station for listening to them later and press the heart icon to add a favorite. You can also press the book icon to see your favorites. The radio keeps on playing even if your phone goes off to sleep. And the coolest feature is just shake your phone to go into a random station. So with this app you can listen to any radio station all over the world. In between we have a bonus application which is One Line Puzzle Mania Brain Teaser. This puzzle game is for all ages and it is not as easy as it looks. You have to connect the dots and immerse yourself into one-stroke drawing and see how many puzzles you can solve. The initial stages of the puzzle seems pretty easy, but as you get into higher levels you'll be able to see that the game is a bit tricky and you have to scratch your head a lot to solve those puzzles. And trust me guys, this game is really addictive. This game helps you to activate and train your brain like never before. So what's the rule of the game? It's very simple. You have to connect the dots with just one line and draw with one stroke. It doesn't matter where the starting point is. Think carefully before you start connecting the points on this puzzle game. Use your logic and remember that you can't draw the same line twice. A super addictive game if you're getting bored, so make sure to try this, you'll love it. Coming up next is Selfie. Now this application is definitely for YouTubers, I must say, because if you're a vlogger, this application can definitely help you. Not only a vlogger, but anyone can use it. Whoever is doing a face cam video and you're having a bit of problem in talking while you're looking into the camera, this app is a must-have for you. Now why this one is a must-have? It is because in this application you can write down whatever you're willing to say in front of the camera, and now after getting into the app, when you look into the camera, you'll see all the text scrolling, whatever you have written or whatever you're willing to say, and you can definitely look into the camera and read them out, but nobody will even guess that you're reading something out because you'll be directly looking into the camera and reading, but it will feel like that you're talking into the camera and speaking out things of your mind. With Selfie, you will speak on the camera no worse than TV anchors and top video bloggers. You'll understand how easy it is to record informative videos having a prompter app on your smartphone. So write down whatever you're required to say in a face cam video and then just bring up the app and hit the record button. The text will scroll and you'll read and you'll continue continue to talk to the camera without any bloopers. Do you want your still photos to talk to you? Then this app Talking Photos can do it. With this app you can make friends, family, cat, dogs, famous paintings in your photo album to come to life. You can unfreeze what is locked forever. You can make your photos sing, complain, laugh and just play weird. You can create fun animations from any photo and share it to your friends. So to use the app, just select a still photo that has a face on it and that's all you're done. Leave the rest on the app. Once you select a photo, you'll have lots of text down below which you can just tap on and the photo will speak that line. You can also record your own voice and try on various effects and the photo will speak out what you have spoken in various kind of voice. So now you can select any photos of any person, any personality, your friends, your pets and then see how amazingly this particular application makes that photo talk. A very amazing app to check out. It's interesting, it is entertaining. Make sure to try it.
If you don't use it, you'll lose it.
Next on the list we have Loops. Now Loops is a wallpaper application that has some amazing collection of live wallpapers. It has 3 sections: trending, recent, downloads, and you'll get amazing live wallpapers in the app. And I don't mean amazing just like that, you'll get to know how amazing the app is once you install it. And the live effects of the wallpapers are seriously good. You'll get some amazing wallpapers that you might have seen but in a still format. You can see them live in this particular wallpaper app. Now you have to collect coins every day and as much coins you collect, you can use those coins to buy some amazing wallpapers from the app. Now obviously this app has some in-app purchases, but if you don't want to get into that, then you can just check into the app regularly and collect your coins and use those coins to get the wallpapers. So make sure to try out the amazing wallpaper app for this week. Last but not the least, we have Palette. With this app, you can highlight only the colors you want and change the original colors. It is fast and it's really easy. Now if you love the effect of color splash but don't want to keep zooming in and dragging your fingers around to highlight the colors, then this application is a must-have for you. This app has a smart AI that takes care of understanding the colors of your image and then all you have to do is to select the colors you want to activate in the smart generated color palette. You can also change the original colors of the image. It is very easy to use. You get tools like Wand that reveals original color when touching a gray area. You get an eraser tool with which you can erase colors you don't want. You get your palette from where you can activate and deactivate colors, and also you have a navigator to pan and zoom into your image. So this application helps you to make stunning color splash images and the results are pretty amazing. And those were some apps that will definitely blow your mind. And if you know about some other applications which has some amazing features like these apps, do not forget to comment them down below so that I can check them out and put them in my next video. And definitely if you comment them down below, I'm going to give you a shout out in my videos if I choose your suggested app. And that's a wrap for this one. If you like this video, then do hit the like button down below and also do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.